Hello, I'm in a 2011 Mini Cooper, and let's say you have a dead battery and you need to figure out where the actual battery is to get to replace or jumpstart or whatever. Here's where it is. So first, you want to open up the hood, which you can do with the release lever here. Pop it open, head up there, and then there'll be a lever here to actually open it. Just kind of right in the center, open it up. And then from here, you'll see this panel. So you open this up, and there's your battery. And red corresponds to your positive terminals, and then your negative would be the otherwise. And it should say on the battery as well. There's a negative here, and a little plus positive sign here. But I hope this was helpful, and hopefully you're able to get a good battery installed or recharged and out of harm's way and back on the road. Hope you have a great day.